Back in action, we're back in the action, boys. I woke up bright and early for this video. My girlfriend's still sleeping upstairs. I'm downstairs. Apologies, I know it's not the best. Like, we got a goddamn dryer going on. I don't know why I didn't turn that off. I just can't risk her waking up while I'm steaming some dumb that she's not gonna approve of. Apparently, she wants to get married one day and I have to clean up my act. So I came to the consensus that I'll film down here when my roommate's gone, which I'm also not allowed to do, so don't tell him, please. So I don't really know how to explain this video. I actually just came up with it last night, found a cameraman real quick. I thought this will be great until I figured out I don't know what to do. There's some prep that we need to go through here. Anyway, as you guys know, I just bought a diamond tester. We did a cool video with that. Everyone always said, oh, NameBran, your rings, your watch, your chains are fake. So I diamond tested them, came out whatever way. You guys can go check out the video. It was like 2 back. Then I was thinking to myself, I was like, man, that video went pretty well. People really liked it. I still have a diamond tester. How can I make money out of this? Possibly, or get arrested. We'll talk about why that's a potential option in a second. Anyway, so while brainstorming, I came up with this idea of, I thought it'd be funny if I took a fake diamond tester to some jewelry stores, asked to see the jewelry, then diamond tested it myself, and was like, yo, this is fake. You know what I mean? Like, these aren't real diamonds, and then ask them for a discount, which I probably won't get. But I thought it'd be funny giving them a hard time at their workplace where they just want to go and make money and not be bothered. The only problem with this whole plan of action here, though, is this diamond tester I have is not fake. I don't know where to get a fake one. Fake diamond, that's what happens. Real diamond, that's what happens. So now what I'm trying to figure out down here is how to make this a fake tester, and I think I came up with the perfect plan. I'm making a fake diamond tester on my roommate's refrigerator with a who has a big refrigerator like this, man? It's weird. I haven't checked for a body in it yet. So what my plan of action is here is I'm gonna smash this fake watch with the fake diamonds all over it, grab one of these fake diamonds, glue it on the tip of this, so this real diamond detector always detects fake diamonds, you know, because there's a fake diamond just attached to it. Therefore, I can put it up to the real diamonds at the store and it'll come out bad. If they're horrible, maybe I come out with a discount or I sue them falsely. You know what I mean? Oh, shit. Oh, shit. Oh, I cracked the f***ing screen, not the... Oh, no, whoa, I got a little fake diamond here. Okay, we're still good. We're still good. Perfect. First step complete. I seem to have also cut myself on glass. My roommate asks, I don't know why there's glass down here. There we go. Perfect. If you see a little red tint over the lighting, that's why. So now what we're doing is we're taking this mini diamond that I got out the watch. I don't know how the hell this is gonna work. Actually, maybe I'll put it on the tip first. Like that. I'm gonna stick this damn diamond on it. It's not fast drying enough. The thing just keeps, they fell out of my hands. I don't know why I thought it'd be so fast drying where I could just glue a diamond on it. I'm still bleeding. This just broke. Alright, boys, so this actually is a blessing in disguise that I put the glue on it. Diamond didn't stick on, that's fine. What this actually did, though, is the glue is now on this, which is forever f***ing it up. The whole thing, the whole system here just doesn't read anything, and it's coming off all weird because there's constantly glue on it. So I think what we just did, kids, we just made a fake diamond tester. I'm stoked, man. Now I gotta let you guys know why I'm not stoked and why this is maybe a potentially bad video. I'm just gonna make this long story short. The reason I don't want my girlfriend hearing me making this video, which is also why I want you to give me tons of thumbs up, is I'm gonna have to go to a mall because that's where multiple jewelry stores are. It's just easier that way to film. However, every mall in the city I am banned from. If I go back, I get arrested. I don't believe that the cops are actually gonna show up. But they say if I come back, I'll get arrested for trespassing. Roll the clip. This is what happened last time I went to this mall. Could
you shut that off right now, please?
I'll shut it off, but like, can I like maybe go to Forever 21? I see it's over there.
Absolutely not. Could you turn it off?
Wow, there's a lot of you guys. This is crazy. There's 3 of you.
Could you please turn the film off?
I could totally turn it off. Okay. Well, I vlog my life. This is kind of how it goes.
Okay,
like for
but
me.
not in here.
Not in here. All right?
Are you still filming?
Right now?
Yeah.
No.
Then why is the red light going on there?
You know cameras.
Can you please
yes,
turn it off?
I am filming. Okay.
No cameras.
All right. Is that a ticket citation?
Can you please turn the camera off?
A bar notice. What's that mean?
Means you can't come to the mall anymore.
I'm gonna get banned?
Yeah.
I'm banned from the mall?
Or from the other malls.
I'm a big fan of the mall. Wait, you know me?
Doesn't matter, man.
How do you know I'm banned from other malls?
Your videos tell you so.
You know me from videos?
Obviously.
This is craziness. Who told you? Haha, exactly. So that's why this is kind of a sketchy video. I haven't been to any malls in the city for about like 3, 4, 5, 6 months now. I can't even remember when that happened, but since then I haven't gone back. That's why I don't want my girlfriend hearing this video, because she says, Bran, if you're gonna go back to the mall for any reason, at least make it for Christmas shopping purposes. But hey, I'm trying to do this for the boys. I'm giving all y'all a Christmas present, not just her, that selfish bitch. Boys upstairs waiting for my buddy slash cameraman to come and be quiet because my girlfriend's still sleeping. But yo, this is pathetic. What I'm doing right now is I tried to put on like a nice little outfit so when they look at me I don't look like a thug. My other concern, which I'm just thinking about now, when I'm like, yo, can I see the diamond and do this? That looks sketchy, bro. That just looks like I'm about to pull out a gun or something, so I'm not really sure what I'm about to do about that. Hey, could I see a diamond? That's weird. Alright boys, found me in the car. My boy picked me up. Thank you so much. Came in so clutch. Now we're going to Applebee's real quick because I like to have a drink or two before I do some public bits, and I'm going to take this guy to lunch. And then we're hopefully not going to get banned from this mall. Have you been banned from any mall ever?
Never know.
Yeah, I think that's probably regular.
I'm pure.
You're pure?
Yeah.
Me too. Not by choice though. Alright boys, out of Applebee's, got our drinks in my mouth. Now here's what's gonna happen. I'm gonna leave my camera in the car. We're probably just gonna clip to the next bit of me actually doing what we're trying to do in this video. Damn, it's hard to think right now. The tequila's taking a shot on me. I love that shit. Anyway, so what we're gonna be doing now, forgive me for this, we're gonna be filming everything on the phone. I hope the quality's still good. I've got a mic that I'm gonna be mic'd up to, so hopefully audio's good as well. But I've realized with bringing cameras in there, especially if I'm banned from this place, I don't wanna do that. So we're gonna play it safe. Got my cameraman right here, once again, my boy. Thank you so much. And we're gonna hopefully get all the shots that we need, but it's gonna be on phone. You guys know the reason though. Alright, see y'all in a bit. Hopefully I don't get arrested. If I do, hopefully it's by a girl. You know what I mean? That's kind of hot, right?
Oh, yeah.
A girl cop? You like that shit? It's a real diamond that I have in my hand right now. This one's real.
What do you want?
Real. What do I want?
Yeah, what do you want?
A little praise. That's what I'd love.
I don't have any diamonds. So
Oh, you don't have any? No. Oh, it's okay. You understand that they were real though. Were you impressed at all?
not really.
My dad wasn't impressed either, and he died. So I'm trying to fucking figure out how other people might be impressed.
I don't know. Diamonds don't impress me. What did you do?
I'm testing my diamonds right now.
Oh,
Yeah. Just to let you all know.
if they're stolen, then you don't.
No. Oh yeah, let me diamond test that.
They're all real diamonds.
They're all real? Well, let me be the judge of that. How's that sound? I don't know, my guy. I don't know. I'm getting a bad reading from it.
It doesn't matter.
I'm getting a bad reading. To let you know, too, I think I'm getting a bad reading from mine. All around bad readings, sir. Do you have any diamonds I could test? Let's test her. Yeah, I'm getting a bad reading. Where did you get that from? You're going to give me yours too now? I don't know. We're 0 for 2 right now. This one might be fake. Yeah. It's too big? Too small? I'm not sure.
Your
But,
thing is wrong.
It's wrong?
Yeah.
No.
This is 4,000 watt ring.
$4,000? Well, okay, your $4,000 ring does not match up to my $25 diamond tester. I don't know what to tell you guys. It was great meeting you. But diamonds are fake here. So I've been looking at this ring possibly for maybe or maybe not proposing to my girlfriend who's been cheating on me for a second. Could I possibly see one of shit, what was the one she wanted? I've been
It's not a diamond. That's cubic zirconia.
Oh, where are your diamonds at then? I brought my own diamond tester here because I got screwed over with my grandma when she passed away. She said, oh, I've got a real diamond thing for you. And it turns out it wasn't diamond. So I thought, you serpent, you know, for saying that. Rest in peace, grandma. Why would you do that to me?
All this is diamonds. Like, that side is...
Could I test it myself though? I'll let you test it. It's not testing us. That doesn't seem real. No, it should come up to the diamond button, my guy.
my
That
own
seems
diamond
like
tester.
that's not real though.
That's a real diamond.
That's showing it's not. No, I'll give you 50. You give me the ring. I'm looking for diamond earrings, whatever. My main thing is I want to test them before I buy them for my girlfriend, who's a bitch. But I love her. Sorry. Also, if you're better than my girlfriend, I'll take you out on a date any day. I know you probably got a
No,
husband.
thank you. No, I don't, but you're too young for me.
It's fake.
Well, you know these aren't reliable, right?
Okay.
They're not reliable.
I'll take these.
And I
For,
am certified, so.
I'll take these for, I don't know, $5 if you want.
Not happening for $5.
Because my diamond tester said otherwise, so I'm just wondering.
No, I don't go by those. Like I
Okay.
said, I am certified in diamonds. So.
I know my grandma was too, and she died. And she was
I'm
also
sorry to
a
hear
she was also a snake. She was the worst of the worst. She was a serpent, just the worst liar in the world. She turned out to be an absolute moron, if you will. Still love her though. Rest in peace, grandma.
Well, that's good.
Yeah, I still love her. I just know her faults, and it's being an absolute idiot. Promised me $100,000 when she died, and I got
Yeah,
nothing.
but you don't need it.
I got nothing.
Yeah, but you said you don't need it.
I don't need it,
Well, there you go.
but I
Don't worry
like
about
it. Anyway, my last offer is maybe $75 for that.
That's not happening.
Oh, okay.
Not here. We don't do that here.
Oh, okay.
Sorry.
Oh, you don't haggle?
No. Prices are set.